Today I have a patient that is needing IM injections of penicillin, which is an antibiotic. The first thing that I'm going to do is double check the order. Miss Mary Adams here, 11/16/62. It says here that she has known allergies, and for today and now we have an IM injection of penicillin. So I'm going to go into the MAR. I'm going to first sanitize my hands. I'm going to pull the medication that I need. I see that the penicillin is right here. I grab the medication. Now that I have the medication out, I'm going to use an alcohol pad. Let's get it off, pull off the medication. Put the cap back on. And then I'm going to document that I pulled that medication. I'm going to go into the patient's room. Hi, Mary. My name is Kate. How are you doing today? Good. I'm going to be your nurse. Doctor Who has prescribed you penicillin, so I'm going to be giving that to you. Do you have any questions about that before I give you the medication? No? Okay. Before we do that, can you verify your name and date of birth? Okay, good. And then do you have any allergies? No? Okay. All right, so I am going to do this in your deltoid, which is your upper shoulder. Okay, have you had an injection there before? Okay, it's kind of like the flu shot. So I'm going to alcohol in a circle, going from the inner to the out part. I have scanned the medication and scanned the patient wristband. I'm going to take the needle off. I'm going to put my hand on it, around it, and then I'm going to do a slow push into at a 90-degree angle. I'm going to put the safety feature on it, put it in the sharps container. I'm going to take off my gloves, sanitize my hands, document that I gave the medication. All right, Miss Mary, here's your call light and your water. Do you need anything in the meantime? No? Okay. All right. Well, I'll be back to check on you in a little bit, okay? All right. Thank you.